A decomposing body affects a home in many ways. First of all, again, in the warm summer months, you have fly activity. The flies will actually pick away at the body, fly around the house, and deposit what they just got done eating. So that brings contamination of diseases and bacteria, potentially viruses. Then there's the odor component of that. So the odors themselves emit through the entire house, especially if the furnace is on, the AC or the furnace, it can get broadcast through the whole home. And things like carpeting, couches, mattresses, clothing, that acts like a sponge and absorbs that smell. So not only are we there to mitigate the actual contamination from the bacteria and viruses, but we take care of the odor piece of it as well. So that is the reason why body decomposition cleanups can take several days to a week or two.